In most award ceremonies of this sort, a small panel of people will make the choices about who gets the award. In this case, we were distributing about £12,000 in a number of awards. But we took the idea that it's about social enterprise, so the whole community should be judging. So when people came into the meeting, they were asked if they wished to be a voter or a scorer for the projects. They were given then a scoring sheet where all the projects were listed, and they were asked to hear the presentations and to give each presentation a score out of 10, so that that score would be based on whether they thought that the project identified a real need in the community, about whether the group had the ability or the idea that would actually address that need, and really about how they felt about it. The important thing was that they were working on 3 minutes of face-to-face speech, so they could pick up the passion and the information from the organisation in a way that was really meaningful to them. Reading something in an application form does not do justice to the energy that most of these groups were putting behind their ideas. So the idea was that everybody in the community got some benefit from these projects, so they were all stakeholders, they all had some view about whether they wanted it or not. So they were then asked to score the projects. We then had a break. It was a very rushed process. We had about 88 people who had scored, so if you think we had about 800 different votes to count within about half an hour. They were very quickly put into a spreadsheet to come up with the winning results whilst people were having a bit of a buffet, so that they immediately also saw that their participation as the audience ended up with something. They were part of the drama. It wasn't just the presenters, but everybody was part of the drama of the day and shared in the winnings in a sense. And even those who were not given a big cash award did also get other benefits. So particularly if they were a new group, everybody who presented got at least a couple of £100 to take the next step with their project. And everybody will get a copy of the DVD so they can use in their promotion. So really there are no losers from this process. The community wins, the community judges is empowered, but also the groups are empowered through going through the awards.